Gold, silver and platinum are currently all trading back at 1 month highs. In the last week, platinum is up 8%, silver is up 9% and gold is up 3%. And we've had over a 600-point breakout in the last 3 sessions with palladium. Now this all follows on from last week, the BRICS Summit and the Jackson Hole Symposium, where essentially we had talk of a gold-backed digital currency and also amongst 40 other countries, the inclusion of Saudi Arabia, Iran and the United Arab Emirates into the BRICS nations once we hit January of 2024. Now there have been massive opportunities now to capitalize on again a summer of profits here that we've seen right at the end of August for multiple commodities. As you would imagine, currently our gold position that is up just under 500 points. Our platinum position is up 850 points. Our silver position, that is now up 200 points. Our palladium position, we've already banked 1,000 points there. And alongside that, we're up over 100 points right now on copper. And as you know, we remain long the dollar index, which is up over 400 points. So we've telegraphed all of this to you to expect this uptick in price action for the metals right at the end of August. In fact, recently, we've had many questions from you regarding gold. After we saw the hedge funds and money managers, they got liquidated when gold broke back below $1,900 per ounce. How we knew then we were going to get that slingshot move higher. And that's exactly what we have seen now. You've got gold currently trading at $1,938 US per ounce. Just a week ago, gold was trading down at $1,885. In fact, we snipe it in at $1,189 per ounce, and that trade again, it's up just under 500 points right now. Alongside silver, and of course, silver right now broke out 6% last week. It's broken out almost 3% now this week, so it puts it on track for almost a 9% gain in just a week and a half here. These are all the capital flows we talked you through to expect at the end of August here. If you snooze, you lose. Many traders, they're still away from the trading desks at the moment. They're going to be coming back from their holidays as we get towards the end of this week and then moving into September next week. So essentially, you're going to get a lot of FOMO here across the precious metals from traders that have completely missed out on almost a 9% breakout on silver, on palladium prices, which have broken out 1,000 points in the last week, on platinum prices also. Just a week ago, we had platinum prices trading back below $900 per ounce. Again, massive buy opportunity for you to capitalize at the 1885 zone. Now we've got platinum trading back at $985 per ounce, up over 1,000 points just in a couple of weeks here. So again, massive opportunities for you to benefit right at the end of August across multiple precious metals and industrial metals here. Everything that we've talked you through to expect and anticipate. So the name of the game for us this week, it's locking in profits, banking on strength as we do see this impulse move higher, particularly ahead of Friday's non-farm payroll data and Thursday where we have the PCE inflation data, so the Fed's preferred measure of inflation. So what I'm looking to do over the course of this week is bank more profits across multiple commodities here in anticipation for the turn of the cycle once we start transitioning into September, where indeed I will keep some exposure here on the dollar where we bought in at much lower prices down at the 99.67 zone. So again, this really comes down to understanding the capital flows in the market, understanding really the cycles here, particularly right at the end of August here. Everything that we talked you through the previous week to expect massive buy opportunities over August, any moves back down towards the swing lows there for gold, silver, palladium, platinum, copper. Nothing more than a big buy opportunity, and then capitalize on the run up in price that you'll get during the BRICS Summit, during the Jackson Hole Symposium, and in the last week of August. All of that has played out. We're seeing it right now in real time as all of these commodities, they are surging to 1 month highs right now. So I hope that you have capitalized massively on this, the same as our clients at the Gold and Silver Club. So of course, last week we banked 1,790 points profit. You know the calculation, but just in case you don't, so for every 1 lot contract, that's $17,900 of profit. Every 10 lot contract, that's $179,000 US dollars of profit for you to benefit from just over the last couple of weeks here with the pump. And in fact, we're up a lot more than that over this week with all the profits that we're currently generating. So of course, we're looking to lock in more profits over this week. In fact, we've already banked more profits on platinum and silver this week, and very shortly we'll be doing exactly the same here on gold as well. So again, really this does come down to utilizing data, market intelligence, statistics, further align that with the cycles for each commodity. So the daily, weekly, monthly, and the quarterly cycles for each commodity, further aligning that with the capital flows in the market. Of course, the major narratives. So we had the catalyst for the breakout last week with the BRICS Summit and also the Jackson Hole Symposium. So lining up that narrative with the expected move all worked out really well. And then further compounding that with the intermarket correlations, the ratios in the market, and then finally how the hedge funds, the money managers, the banks, the institutions, how they're all positioned in the market in real time. That is going to help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, learn the professional research-driven approach to the market, and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to join our professional mentorship program.